was so instrumental in the clutch that pushed them into overtime. Tasked to do it again. And a connector towards his feet to be burned. No way!
The MP9.
Don't you dare! Puts a smoke on top of the bomb. Now he has no vision.
He's gonna dive it.
1 second.
Robin, you beast.
Твой высокий шанс на большой дроп. Мусор-дроп.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, 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 hey. Oh my God, that was so close. Last millisecond.
Couple of clicks to the mouse. That is a quick one tap to Zontix.
Flying no scope. Can't believe it. 2v1. Oh my God! What am I watching? What am I watching?
Progression for Team Spirit into the playoffs, but Heroic
bro.
to silence Spirit. And Donk will go forward alone, but there's so many targets. And he can often prove enough on his own. And can this little nuisance pull off an unbelievable...
No way!